Hello guys! So we're done eating our lunch here in Antipolo and we are now ready for our next stop.
Ok, vamos começar.
Mukhang nandito na tayo guys. From here, natatanaw ko na yung White House. Order muna tayo since katatapos lang namin mag-lunch, so hindi muna kami mag-order ng food. Siguro o-order lang muna kami ng coffee and shake while waiting for the sunset. Ano yung flavor na kinuha mo?
The drink is hot.
Cappuccino. Okay, kumusta naman?
The ice is hot.
Okay naman. Yung taste niya is?
Really kabo.
Bitter.
Bitter? So, mapait. Magkano yan? 100?
70.
70. Okay, ikaw kuya, ano yung sayo?
Java chip Coke milkshake.
Okay, kumusta naman?
Tama lang yung tamis.
So, hindi gaano matamis? Okay.
Tama lang.
Magkano siya?
175.
175. Sa'yo, Nico?
The drink is amazing.
Ano yung in-order mo? Wait, come here.
Cookies and cream shake.
Cookies
It was
and cream.
amazing.
Amazing. And ano pa? Oh. Okay, how much is that? How much is that?
180.
180. Okay. So ikaw, Daddy, ano sa'yo? Mauubos na.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. So far, ano naman ang lasa?
Okay naman yung sweetness niya.
Lasa yung istro.
Masyado bang matamis? Kanina
Medyo.
natikman ko para masyado matamis. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay. Satisfied? Okay. MAURA'S place is also a pet-friendly restaurant, but just take note of this policy. Oops! Bakit meron ditong hindi naka-diaper?
What?
Ako ba yun? Ha? Sorry, we're not informed.
Wala pong pa-diaper ang amo namin.